Yeah. What is the question?
The question is, what is the difference between God and nature?
You want difference or simile? Relation?
Difference as well as explanation.
See, God is a concept. Nature is a Pratyaksha Bhagavan. Pratyaksha God. We can visualize God in nature. As far as the Indian concept of God, we always believe God is a Sankalpa. Sankalpa means it's only a imagination. There is no God. Purusha is not there. No personal. It is only a concept. And you can visualize in the nature. The whole nature, if you look at it, it is God. For example, one of the prime god of Hindu religion is Rama, Krishna. All of them belong to Surya Vamsha.
Krishna, Surya Vamsha.
Surya Vamsha. Surya Vamsha means the family of sun, the god sun. Okay, now let us look at all of them belong to family of sun. They all belong to Vishnu.
Okay.
Therefore, sun is equal to Vishnu. Sita itself means Bhumi Devi. The synonym for Sita is Bhumi. Synonym for Lakshmi is Bhumi.
Lakshmi also Bhumi?
Yeah. So, sun is the husband, earth is the wife. Now let us look at Ramayana, the oldest epic which we have. Purana, Idihasas, extreme oldest which depicts Rama story. There we have a Ravana who is taking away Sita from Rama. That means Rama is not able to see Sita. Who is hiding? Ravana is hiding. So what is Ravana in nature? It is cloud.
Oh.
So once cloud comes, sunlight will not fall in that area.
Okay.
Or Sita is not able to see Rama.
Because of the cloud.
Yeah. Then one person is able to go and see whether Sita is there or not. And that is Hanuman. God Hanuman is Vayuputra. That means it is air. It is wind. The wind can go inside the cloud. And in case if you want, he can show Rama, your Sita is here. Because wind comes, cloud can get separated.
Yeah.
Right? And you have Lakshmana. Indradhanus. That is his weapon. Which Rama also have the ability to use Indradhanus. Lakshmana also has. Both of them. What is that Indradhanus? It is lightning and thunder.
Okay.
So, with lightning and thunder, the Rama the cloud, the Ravana the cloud, sorry. The Ravana the cloud shatters into bits and pieces. And Sita is free, worshipped. See what a great concept is that. That's called Ramayana in nature, which I wrote in my book. Life Made Simple book has got a small topic which says Ramayana in nature. In Krishna avatar, the Vishwarupa Darshana Yogam,
Mm.
when Lord is showing Arjuna the full nature of God in the huge form, that is called Vishwarupa Darshana.
Mm.
Virada Rupam, huge form.
Mm.
The sun itself is inside the mouth of Krishna.
Right.
So every planet,
Mm.
solar system,
Mm.
earth,
Mm.
everyone is shown as part of
Mm.
God.
Mm.
That means God is pervading everywhere,
Mm.
prevailing everywhere,
Mm.
ruling everywhere,
Mm.
existing everywhere.
Mm.
You cannot separate God and nature.
Okay.
He becomes one.
Mm. So it's
In Bharatiya Siddhantam, the foremost knowledge which is in Vedas,
Mm.
there is no name of Krishna, Rama, Vishnu, Lakshmi.
Right. In those Vedas.
Yeah, in those Vedas.
Mm.
It's only nature.
Mm.
Which are the basic elements of nature is also explained there.
Mm.
It's 5.
5 elements.
First is Bhumi.
Mm.
Every puja person also
Mm.
has got mudra.
Mm.
Mudra is showing symbols
Mm.
using the hands.
Mm.
And in the mudra,
Mm.
Bhumi is represented by the little finger.
Mm.
So whenever he has to pray using the chanting mantra in which Bhumi is referred,
Mm.
automatically his little finger will show the earth.
Mhm. Okay.
That's how it does.
Mhm.
You will see most of the pujaris will show his hands in different mudras. If you clearly watch the chanting, wherever the earth mention comes, he will show his little finger.
Mhm. Mm.
On the earth,
Mm.
water,
Mm.
because water needs earth below that to hold.
Right.
So the next layer is water.
Mm.
Next layer is air.
Wow.
Air, when it burns, it goes up. Fire.
Fire.
And then Appa on the top. So it is the Akash.
Mm. Mm.
So the 5 concept, 5 elements.
Mm.
The concept of God is not there.
Mm.
There is only 5 element concept.
Mm.
So what is nature? Nature is
consists of
God.
this
Nature is God.
Uh,
Your question was how can we distinguish, how can we compare?
yeah.
There is no comparison, there is no distinction.
Mm.
Nature itself is God.
Okay.
Right? One problem with most of the people when they talk about nature,
Mm.
about the world,
Mm.
about earth,
Mm.
about the universe,
Mm.
they don't include themselves.
Mm.
We should take care of nature,
Mm.
as if we are outside the nature and nature is somewhere away from us.
Mm.
I keep saying every animal, every plant,
Mm.
like one animal is human being.
Mm.
So as one animal who has got little extra brain,
Mm.
who can do wonders,
Mm.
don't have to say that I am taking care of nature, I am concerned about nature. Nature is like, you are one among the small creature in the whole nature. And as far as humans are concerned, we are in a small portion
Mm.
of the land area,
Mm.
because 77% is water.
Mm.
We are only on 23%.
23% also.
Where livable area is
only less
5% or 10%.
1%.
In that city area is much less.
Yeah.
In this place where I am living,
Mm.
for millions of years,
Mm.
in Bharatiya Siddhantam,
Mm.
it is 17th Manvantara we are,
Mm.
and each Manvantara is 43 lakh
Yes.
odd years.
Mm.
and that many number of years passed, and how many generations must have lived in a place where we are living. This concept is explained in when any temple anybody goes for puja, there is a mention of Brahmandana Madhye. It starts from the description of Brahmanda and come up to your house number and says from this place this person came, and it starts with Manvantaras and to his date of birth. So you are 190 odd crores of years in this world. So how many generations would have left? In that, your life is 50 years, 60 years, active life. Another 20 years added, maybe 80 years or 100 years, say maximum. 120 years is one Purushais.
100 years is one
120 years is one Purushais. That's the largest lifespan. See, this is written the time when you come onto the earth by birth. There are different planets, not the planets which we know in the modern science, but most of them are there. But the graha which influences you, including moon, sun, and all other planets which are neighboring to earth, like Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, all that is put together, our horoscope is built. That shows how an individual can be influenced by the nature. So nature is not what you see around. Beyond your visibility, what is there as planets around the earth, around the sun, around earth and around the sun, because it keeps on rolling around and rotating around and revolving around. All that, how is it going to influence every living being? In that we are concerned about the human being and we are concerned about ourselves. How it influences physically, mentally, intellectually, emotionally, spiritually, all that is explained in horoscope. So great science which are part of our literature in Hindu Vedic systems.
So horoscope got 12 houses. How many houses?
We have 12 houses, 9 planets, 7 planets plus Rahu and Ketu.
Newly added.
Rahu and Ketu are not real planets, but which explains eclipse. So the ecliptic effect of being sun and moon not visible at the time when it is visible in other part of the earth, but not where you are staying. That is also explained. That means astronomy, complex astronomy with the full scientific concept is what is depicted in your astrology. So that also goes beyond nature. Not earth system, but including the solar system is planned and then understood as one which. So when we say God influences us, the God has got a role in our life. Probably not as an individual, but as a nature, it has got influence on us to create behavior, create your health better. So in planetary system, looking at each planet, we can say whether he is a healthy person, non-healthy person, physically, emotionally, intellectually, socially, spiritually, how he is going to affect, how he is going to live, how he will perform, why he will not be able to perform. All this can be predicted.
You can tell me why a person why a person cannot be improved?
See,
which planet is affected?
This that can be done. But assume you are in a car now. Now we are running in a car. This car model is your horoscope. Right? The road which you are driving is your environment. That is the Vastu.
Right.
The car is very good. The road is very good. Does it mean the car will run on the road?
No, someone need to run.
You are the person
Who is
and
driving?
you are having this car as your horoscope. So who has to drive?
I have to.
You have to drive.
Yeah.
Car and road will not determine your driving ability. You have to learn it.
Okay. Yeah.
But assume the car is not good, road is not good, but you are an expert driver. You will still drive.
Yeah.
So 1/3 of your life is determined by your people around you, association around the people, who are the people who are influencing you, the satsang which you have, environment which you are in, right? The neighborhood, all that opportunity which you got, all that is part of it. Your car represents your horoscope.
Okay.
So one is Vastu, next is horoscope. Both has influence on you.
Oh,
If car is perfectly alright, your road is perfectly alright, you can go. But if you don't know driving,
It's
nowhere you will go.
Yeah.
Or you will go somewhere.
I'll make an accident.
So anything is possible. So your driving skill is 1/3. Your birth time and place is 1/3. The environment in which you have grown, people around you who influenced you, that is 1/3 which determines your life. So not just one parameter. It's all the three together. But don't understand by saying Vastu, it is your house which you are living, how many bedrooms are there, whether there is a well there. All that is unimportant. It means dwelling. Dwelling means around you, the environment in which you are there. So again there the nature is playing a great role. See, you be a person in a city called Bombay, you can never walk, you will run,
Right.
because everybody is running. But assume you are in a place called Goa, or maybe you are in a place called I don't know now, traditional old Bangalore or Mysore. Mysore, say. People are very, it's like a retired city. Nobody runs there because everybody has got sufficient time. Correct?
Right.
So your speed in which you will move, it's like whether you are in Columbus or New York. New York is very active. People will all run.
Yeah, all the time active.
All the time people are running. Right? So it all depends on your environment, which makes you active. You may not be very disciplined. That is what your basic character. But somebody puts you in a uniform job like army, police, air force, navy, where you are having military disciplined life. Do you think you can become indisciplined?
No. I'll adapt
to that.
Yeah.
So one is your basic character, which is determined by the horoscope. But your behavior pattern is what is shown outside. That is influenced by the environment to a great extent.
You mentioned this 33.333, 33.333, all 333.333.
1/3.
Nothing but
It's only saying there are three parameters which influence you. But not everybody will have 1/3. You may have 40% of your birth features, 20% maybe your environment, 20% maybe your skill. That all depends on how are you going to improve upon one to another one.
Coming to astrology, I born and raised in Hyderabad. I'm here now.
Yeah.
So is it still effective?
The car performance is determined
Oh.
by where is it driving or where is it manufactured and which company is owning it.
Where is it?
while the engine is made, they have got a performance, they have got a piston, they have got everything done. Where you drive is your road, doesn't matter. So there is great extent of
Nice
the
analogy.
immune system which you have for a specific disease comes from your parents.
Mm. Mm.
That is why you can see most of the people will look at like their parent.
Mm.
We can tell, yeah, you are exactly like your father, exactly like your mother.
Mm.
There can be combinations, there can be small variations,
Mm.
but there are 80% people have that.
Mm.
Until and unless you have got a system
Mm.
which is a system where people can predict
Mm.
using any equipment in this world. Is there an equipment where you can predict somebody's behavior by any system in the world? It's not there.
It's not there, but people are started based on question answer session.
Yeah,
People
see,
started
that
predicting.
is only, see, the problem with the question and answer session. I'm also a person who learned a little bit of psychology.
Okay.
Everybody, if you know there is a system which you are going to influence
Mm.
and there is going to measure your character,
Mm.
human beings are so intelligent, they manipulate the answers.
Yeah. They are
So
manipulating.
that is why most of the time we have questions where are redundancy.
Uh,
No,
uh,
so many things we keep doing it inside the question itself, and we found most of the time it is a failure,
mm.
right?
For hiring process, we started taking this small quiz.
Okay.
Based on that, we are finding out what is the characteristic. Of
Yeah.
the
Instead of that, what is generally done is instead of question answer,
person.
situations are explained and asked to solve some problems,
Mm.
wherein we can see, this is how he does it,
Mm.
or maybe observation through his behavior in the canteen, behavior in the way he talks to people, mix with the people,
Mm.
given a problem, how he does it. You can have group activities in which people can be analyzed.
Mm.
All that is a better solution than asking questions. When you are asking question,
It can be.
it is actually you are exposed to something which you already know. Okay, there is somebody is going to ask question,
Mm.
so this is the purpose for which I am being interviewed.
Mm.
And definitely people are intelligent enough to,
Manipulate them.
yeah, most of them. You are not voluntarily doing it for your own analysis,
Mm.
and it's not an instantaneous answer. You are not trying to read through his manas.
Mm.
You are only getting his intellectual answers.
Mm.
So intellectual answers is all manipulated also.
Beautiful, beautiful.